Hi everybody, this is Martin, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing of this, the Xiaomi Smart Jump Rope. I saw it at the shop and I was like, I need to get this. So let's take a look at it. This is the box. Front, back, one side, another side, top and bottom. The price is around 30 euros. And I love the fact that, judging by the picture, you don't actually need to have the rope thing going on. It somehow does it differently. But what does it say on the package? It says exercise data analytics, accurate counting via 3 Hall sensors, integrated swinging ball, corded and cordless jumping. Okay, so I guess there's an option for a cord. And lastly, hidden curved digital display. Let's take a look. I've pre-cut the box to make it quick. Okay, so comes like this in these pouches. And I guess this is the cord, and there's some paperwork. And that's it. The paperwork says warranty notice and smart jump rope user manual. So maybe just a little quick run through the manual. 1 page, and there's one more page. If you can pause it, you can maybe read it a little bit, and one more page. Yeah, if there's anything interesting, I'll just add it at the end of the video, and then you get Chinese. Okay, so the product itself comes wrapped in this plastic. Starts with this funny bowl. I guess that's what gives you the sensation of the jumping, I guess. There seems to be this adjustment mechanism that you can use. There's a little QR code at the top. Nothing too obvious other than that. And let's take a look at the second one. Okay. And this is the second one. And there is a little bit of, there's a charging thingy on this end. And it looks like USB-C. And let's see what is in the third pouch. Okay, so here we have a nice pouch where we can keep it, and there is the actual cord. So you can make it corded, or you can have it with these bowls as cordless. And yeah, that's how it spins. And I can see how it gives you a nice little spinny feeling. Let's see if I can turn it on. Yes, I can. All right, and there's the display. There's a Bluetooth icon, and there's, I guess, the counter, and maybe there's a timer. I will try to figure out how exactly it works, and we'll get back to you later. Thanks for watching so far. All right, so let's take a look at the My Fitness app. I have just downloaded it, and let's start. Okay, terms and conditions: take photos and record videos for pairing new devices using QR code scanner, access location. Okay, I agree. We select the region. I'm gonna set Slovakia. Next, and that's it. We literally are here. Okay, I'm going to start the smart thingy. Let me see if there's a device to pair. It's blinking, but let's see, I'm gonna turn it off, turn it on. Maybe I have to go through here. Through add device. Okay, let me log into the account. Okay, I agree with terms and conditions. Not now. The code is here. Okay, so I am a male. I am 183 centimeters. I am 106 kilograms at the moment. Hopefully I'm gonna get that down to a couple less. Date of birth, done. Oh, okay, yes, I want notifications while using the app. Turn on sync. Okay, add device. Oh, here's my jump rope. I agree with the policy, connected to device. So, up, confirming, there we go. So keep screen on if I want to keep it on so that I can maybe counter with the app, sync activities, okay. Check for updates. Okay, there's an update. Let's update. Oh, up to date, sorry. It's up to date about jump rope. There's the version. Okay, so the display is on the right. That is good to know. And I think that's about it. And there's an interval training. Time set 30 seconds, rest time 30 seconds, training sets 4. Or I can do 100 jumps, then 30 seconds rest, 4 sets. Or I can change these. So that's kind of cool. You can change exactly what you want, and even the durations you can change. And I guess when you press go, that's what it is. And here you can see your recorded trainings. Yeah, so it looks like a pretty cool app. Okay, let's try what it looks like to do a workout, just a short one, okay? So you go into the Me app over here and you click jump rope. We're here where we were last time. You click on go, and you start. And it starts counting. And you jump and you jump and you jump. And then when you're done, you can either pause or you can lock it. But when you pause it, you can resume with green or you can end by holding it. Oh, too short. It won't be saved. Yeah. Well, if it wasn't, let's say here, you would see what a quick short workout looks like. There's time, there's calories, and also gives you a little bit of data on the jumps. You can also rate your experience and you can share it, which is kind of cool in different ways, like a picture. I think that's pretty neat. Or you can delete it or export it. Hey, let's try a little bit of rope jumping. I guess it's okay. It's kind of fun. My dog came to see. Let's see what it looks like from the side. Or maybe the other way around. Oh yeah, this is a little better. Okay, yeah, this is kind of fun. I think maybe these could be a little further for my taste, just to get a little better, how shall I call it? better feeling out of this. Let's see if I can move this. Are they similarly long? Yeah, they're similarly long. Yeah, this is it. It's fun. And the numbers are there. Ooh, my dog can send someone. So I think that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Bye.